So hello everyone, welcome to my class English, class 8 English it is. So the question was from the unit 1, wit and wisdom. So here the question asked is, why are qualities like humor and wit important in a person? Okay, and what do you think king and queen prefer to have a people, witty people among their courtiers? If you were asked to solve disagreement between two people, what approach would you like to take? Have you ever been in a situation where a small misunderstanding lead to a big problem? How was it resolved? Okay, so these all the question answers I will be giving you all these four. Okay, so the question is, what are qualities like humor and wit important in a person? So the answer is, humor and wit help a person deal with difficult situation calmly and wisely. They make communication more engaging and help solve problem peacefully. These qualities also make a person more likable and approachable. Okay. Now write down the second question. Why do you think? Why do you think and why do you think king and queens prefer to have witty people among their courtiers? Okay. Answer is witty courtiers like Tinali Rama would uh, good lighten tense moment, offer clever solution to difficult problems, and maintain the court. Their intelligence and humor were valuable in maintaining harmony and offering wise advice. Okay, moving towards the next question now. So next I can take down. Okay, see, if you were asked to solve a disagreement between two people, what approach would you take? Your answer will be, I would, you all can write in your own words also. This is very simple. I would like to say, I would first listen to both sides patiently without judging. Then I would try to find common ground and help them understand each other's perspective. If needed, I would use humor or example to ease tension and guide them towards a peaceful solution. Okay, so this will be the answer of mine. And next, fourth one, let me give you all. So, fourth one also I can take down. Have you ever been in a situation where a small misunderstanding lead to a big problem? How was it resolved? Answer. You can answer this. Now, yes. Uh, Once I misunderstood friend's message and thought they were upset with me. I felt hurt and we didn't talk for days. Later, when we spoke honestly, we realized it was just a simple miscommunication. Talking openly and forgiving each other helped us resolve the issue. Okay, so I can just go through this and I hope you will understand this answer and I hope you all can see this clearly. Okay. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Press the bell icon for more updates. If you have any doubts, queries, comment below. So in the next class, I will be giving you all about this. Okay, I hope you all can see this clearly. So here, let us discuss. You all have to rectify the following false statement for the text. The queen insulted the king by speaking against the quality of his poem. Tinali Rama immediately went to the king and convinced him to talk to the queen. The courtiers admired the king's poem and praised his literary talent. The minister in the court were eager to hear Tinali Rama ideas about paddy cultivation, and the king never realized his mistake and continued to stay angry with the queen. Okay. So we have to rectify the false statement from this. So I will be giving you all now only, and then in the next class I will be continuing with giving you all the answer key for this. Okay. So I can take down this. The queen insulted the king by speaking against the quality of his poem. You'll have to answer. The queen yawned due to tiredness, not to insult him. Okay, now moving towards the next question. This is the corrected one, okay? Because they said the queen insulted the king by speaking against the quality of the poem, but actually what happened was the queen yawned, right? Due to tiredness, not to insult. So she was feeling sleepy, so she yawned, obviously. And next question is wrong. False statement is Tenali Rama immediately went to the king and convinced him to talk to the queen. No, that is false. Tenali Rama first planned a clever strategy before acting, means plan. Moving towards the third one now. So third question was the courtiers admired the king poem and praised his literacy talent, which is false. They never did that. The courtiers avoided the king and made excuses, right? I have already read the story also with you all and I have explained you all. So here we have display of the fourth one. So the minister in the court were eager to hear Tenali Rama idea about paddy cultivation. Your answer will be the ministers were uh, spectacle and mocked Tenali Rama. Yes. Okay. So take down this answer. So the corrected one. This was wrong, right? Next question was here. It was this one. The king never realized his mistake, right? Wait, there's some error over here. Yeah, the king never realized his mistake and continued to stay angry with the queen. Answer is the king realized his mistake and apologized. Okay. So he realized, no, after that he planned and all, then he realized his mistake, then he went and said sorry. So, okay, again, light went, I guess. So in the next class, I will continue giving you all the solution for this. Okay, let us think and reflect. So I can write down and keep. In the next class, I will be giving you all the solution for this. Okay. So in today's class, thanks for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe my channel and share with the friends. Press the bell icon for more updates. If you have any doubts, queries, you all can comment below. Okay.